Hi there friends, I'm back again with a new tutorial video. In this video, I will guide you on how to make money from the comfort of your own home by working online. So working from home online means leveraging the power of the internet to earn income without the need for a traditional office job. It offers flexibility, convenience, and a world of opportunities. Let's explore the 15 ideas for making money fast from home. First is the freelance writing. If you have a way with words, consider freelance writing. You can write articles, blog posts, or even ebooks for clients. Next is proofreading and editing. Excellent grammar and attention to detail can earn you money as a proofreader and editor. The third one is graphic designer. If you're creative and skilled in graphic design, offer your services to clients for designing logos, websites, and more. We also have voice over work. If you have a pleasant voice, explore voice-over opportunities for commercials, audiobooks, or video narration. The fifth one is online teaching. Share your knowledge by becoming an online tutor or instructor in subjects you excel at. The sixth is web design. If you have web design skills, create websites for businesses and individuals looking to establish an online presence. Another one is video editing. Edit videos for content creators or businesses looking to enhance their online videos. We also have social media management. So social media management, it helps businesses manage and grow their social media presence. Next is being a virtual assistant. You need to provide administrative and support services to businesses remotely. Next is rent your car. If you have a vehicle you don't use often, consider renting it out through platforms like Turo. Next is sell stock images. If you're a photographer or have a collection of high quality images, sell them on stock photo websites. Next is get an online internship. Explore online internships in your field to gain experience and income simultaneously. Next is sell your items online. So declutter your home and earn money by selling unused items on platforms like eBay or Etsy. Another one is buy and sell website domains. So invest in website domains and resell them at a profit. The last one is launch an online store. So start your e-commerce business and sell products you're passionate about. Now is the perfect time to start making money online from home. Explore these ideas, find your passion, and take the first step towards financial independence in the digital age. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to make money by working from home online. See you on my next video.